Hi. We've been researching and testing popular products available today to bring you this best rated product in the market today.
Welcome to JOROTO store. With near silent belt drive and adjustable magnetic resistance, JOROTO X2 is a great choice for indoor workout. It can support 280 pounds. The seat and handlebar are both 4-way adjustable to suit for different people. This bike has a multi-use support holder. It can support iPad, mobile phone, water bottle, hand weights, and other objects. The wide seat is comfortable for a long time ride. The toe-caged pedals are anti-skid and adjustable to protect your feet while in fast cycling. The bike is designed with high-quality belt. It is wear-resistant and free maintenance. JOROTO X2 bike uses magnetic resistance. It is without friction and near silent. It comes with a digital monitor. You will be able to see your results to keep you motivated and on pace. The bike provides 4 grips position for different workout purpose. The high-quality 30 pounds flywheel is smooth and stable. With a simple twist, you can control the workout engine. The bike allows you standing to cycle with the extension grip. You will feel like you are climbing the mountain. You can also cycle in the sitting position and enjoy the music or movies at the same time, which makes the workout more interesting and easy to assist. There is a brake function. You can push down the knob to stop the flywheel and finish the workout. With 2 front wheels, you will be able to move the bike easily, enjoy fitness and enjoy life with JOROTO X2. Thank you.
Let's see the features of this great product. And these are our editor ratings for this product.